Everybody ready to dance? That's it, girl. Let's see some dancing. That's what we're here to do, dance, right? Okay, so let's get started. You know, we always start off with our ballet, because ballet is the foundation of classical dance, right? So everybody needs to know the how many positions are there in ballet? 5 positions. Yes, there are. 5 positions. 5. Okay, so let's start. This is the first position of the arms and feet. Demi-plie, demi-plie, demi. Making a big diamond with your knees open to the sides and your heels stay on the ground. Releve, rise up. Keeping those legs nice and tight and straight. Up. Good. Open those. Second position. Arms and legs are open. Right? Keeping those arms open, straight out to the sides. And demi-plie. Demi. Your arms are bent a little bit like you're holding a big, ginormous ball. Good. They're not really absolutely straight. Releve. And down. Rise up. Aaliyah, what are you doing? Come on, we're doing our ballet. Let's stretch over to the side. Stretch over to the side. And come up. Stretch over to the other side. Third position. Your heel is in the middle of your foot. One arm is up and one arm is out to the side. Really stretch these arms nice and tall. Demi-plie. Demi. Stay on the beat of the music. Good. Now rise up to releve. Get this arm out to the side, Glory. Good. Hold it out to the side. Releve. Up and down. Up. Down. And take one big step to the front. One arm is in front and one arm is out to the side. Demi-plie. I'm looking for my star student today. Who's going to be my star student? Releve up and down. Rise up. Good job, guys. Good position. Heel is next to your toe. Arms down. Arms all the way to the front. All the way over your head. Good. Let's do our demi-plies. Demi. Ashley, push back. You're too close to the TV. Up. Good. Let's squeeze up. Releve up. And releve up. Good. Using those legs. Tight legs. Up. Good. And arms out. Arms up. And down. Take nice deep breaths. Breathing, using your breath. And let's stretch over. Keeping those legs nice and straight. Just hang down. Let your head drop down. And roll it up. Good. One arm, then the other arm, up and down. Warming up those arms. Good. Down and let's finish.
I just need you to get real loose. Get comfortable.
You all know this, right?
Grab your loved ones
Warming up
or
our
grab your
body.
love partner. And if you're by yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. Hit hard and spin out. Go down and get it.
Touch that ground.
Down and dip. Pull it on, go down, take a sail, pull it. Lean back, put your hips in. Just have fun. To the left now. To the right, to the right. Now take your left hand and put it on your side. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Do the butterfly, have a good time, have a good time. Round, round, round you go. It's time to show out right now. It takes two.
Here we go.
Big cowboy,
Skip the circle.
we hard and spin.
Hold that.
Go down and get it.
Touch that ground.
Back to the left now and dip. Boy, they gon' go down. Take a step forward. Lean back, put your hips in.
Good.
To the left, take it down now. Take it,
Let's
take
do
it
that
down now.
split.
Take it down now.
Let's
Take
do
it,
that
take it down
split.
now. Bring it up now. Bring it up now. Bring it up now. Bring it up now. Take it down, increase.
Let's do our Changement.
Increase. Cross.
Let's cross.
Do whatever you like right here. Just gonna do the two-step. Big cowboy boogie. Grab a sweet hard and spin.
Go down.
Go down and get it.
Touch that
Back to the
ground.
left now and dip. Boy, they gon' throw down. Take a step forward. Lean back.
Way back, way back. Good job, guys.
That was not so bad.
Okay, let me see some
That was not so
freestyle.
bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it? That was not so bad. That was
Good
not
job,
so
guys.
bad, was it? Gonna do the two-step. Big cowboy.
Skip the circle.
Sweet hard and spin out with.
Hold down.
And get it.
Grab that drink.
Back to the left now and dip. Boy, they gon' throw down. Take a step forward. Lean back, put your hips in.
Awesome job today. Who knows what Battlement is? Battlement. Jayla? Yes. Battlement means big kick. So you kick to the front. Straight legs, kick. Straight to the front, kick. Okay, now try to keep these arms from going up when you kick. You should kick just like you're a soldier, just very straight. Don't get loose with it like that. Like you don't want to throw it away. Okay, and then we have our grand battement. Let me hear everybody say grand battement. You kick to the side. Kick to the side. Same side. Kick to the side. And try to come back to your first position every time. And point your toes. Okay? So your foot should not be flexed up like this. Right? Your toes should be pointed. Right? Pointed. Right. So we're gonna do 4. Nice, Jamila. 4 in each direction. Front, side, back. And then we're going to, okay, so let's just do this. Ashley is not dancing, so you're just gonna watch, okay, Ashley? All right, so we're gonna do, after we finish front, side, we're gonna do a passe. Grab our ankle and try to stretch up to our heel stretch and hold it without letting it down. Now, the whole part on this, guys, is holding your balance, right? Holding your balance, very good. Who's this down here? Zudi, very good. Right, holding that balance, excellent. Right, good job. All right, so let's do the grand battement. One more time. Down. And open. And one leg on the left. Up. And down. 2. 3. 4. Other leg. 1. Wonderful. Good work. All right, so let's do our nice, Glory. Okay, let's do our handstands. So everybody push these arms up. Up, 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 up. Okay, they should not be bent like this, right? They should be pushed up to your ears. Tight, squeezing those ears. That's how your arms should be. Really pushing those shoulders up, not relaxing them, right? So we're gonna do 5 handstand. Ready, arms up. Squeeze these arms, open. Straight arms, open. Open. Good, arms up. Ready, handstand, kick up.
Funky, fresh,
1,
so melodic. This beat goes through my
2,
chest.
keep going. 3,
Grab somebody.
4,
Let me see you 1, 2, 3.
5.
Everybody get on the floor.
All right, rest. What we're gonna do is our headstand, right? Headstand. You're on your 4, all 4s, your 2 hands, your 2 knees. Then you put your head down on the ground and just lift your bum up. This is a song that you are saying that you are so proud of yourself and that you are special. Okay, stand there, you go 1, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce, arms come in, and then you go me. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you walk to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you turn around. Then you walk back. 2, 3, 4. Right? Then you touch your foot out together, out together, out together, out together. All right? Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce me.
Good, turn around.
Ain't no time for imitation, ain't no time for playing. I'm just gonna do it.
Good.
I feel elated, so elevated.
Good.
I'm just doing my thing. I'm a bee.
All right, so we're gonna just do a little shimmy shake, and then we jump up and then down. Stretch, jump, and down. Okay? Right, so we do a little up, and then touch the ground. Last time. Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce me.
That's it. Touch out.
Ain't no time for imitation, ain't no time for playing. I'm just gonna do it.
Here you go, shake it out.
I feel elated,
be. I'ma do what I do.
Ain't got no limitations, I just got that elevation. Do whatever I feel.
That's it, y'all.
I got that fire, can't get much higher. I'm
Nice.
just keeping it real. I'ma be feeling good. What you want?
Feeling good.
What you got?
Feeling good. I'm gonna do. All right, girls and guy, can you